this video is going to give you a quick step-by-step process for you to find your total earnings, your total stats, if you will, your betting history on the FanDuel app to see how you've done all time, see if you've made money, lost money. FanDuel is very clear and transparent about it. So it's on the app. So let's dive in by starting with opening the app here. Once you have your app open, go ahead and log in. Once you are logged in, it is very simple. You're going to just simply click on your account in the bottom right corner where it says account. Click on that. And then from here, you're going to simply click on account under account overview. So go ahead and select that. Next step is you're going to scroll down a little ways here, and you will clearly see career stats. Mine has it showing instantly. Yours, for the first time you open it, might be hidden. It might look something like this, and all you'll have to do is click that little button that says show career details, or that drop down arrow right beside it, and that's going to show you all your winnings and bets. So it doesn't take into account your deposits or withdrawals, as those do not matter. These are simply your winnings and your bets. So the winnings are clearly the total you've won, and the bets are the amount you've wagered. So yeah, very simple to find your career stats or your lifetime earnings on the FanDuel app. As you'll see, mine started September 16, 2018. It's always fun to see when you started on there. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions about FanDuel that you need help navigating to, let me know so I can make another how-to video for it. So hope that helped you out finding your career stats, and please subscribe. Thanks.